You already know we outside. You already know day just getting started, man. Sunday Funday. Tap in, 2 wheels. Whole lot of folk shit going on, man. Young Money in the building.
Yo.
You already know we outside.
Big money, man.
Check it swag. Y'all ain't got those. Y'all ain't got those. Y'all do not have these. Custom made. You did for the Harley. For the Harley custom apparel. You already know. We outside though, man. Tap the fuck in. This nigga asked me for my lighter and got it, goddamn. You see how they do you? Tap the fuck in, man. We outside.
Oh yeah, we can. We need some ice.
I got ice in here. I'm gonna throw it.
We outside, man. Niggas hot as a motherfucker out this bitch.
Boom, like hot.
It's hot as a motherfucker, niggas high as a motherfucker, nigga. We outside, man, on tools, man.
We been out here, we gonna be out here. You come out here, you gonna see me out here.
Giving that game, nigga. Hey, nigga, man, let them know. Hey, let them know who you is, man.
Big boss, man. KLBK Bike Light, man. Repping the city, man. We in here.
You already know, man. That nigga nice on the 4 wheels, man. On the 4-wheeler on me. Everywhere. He said not just the city, nigga, he everywhere.
Nah, everywhere. New York,
You already know.
Philly, wherever. I think I ain't been to Baltimore yet. We supposed to go this weekend. But other than that, name a place, ask about me. They know me.
Tap in with my guy.
Yes, sir.
Tap in with my guy, man. We outside, man. We outside. You know I get my bros, you know I catch my bros slipping off guard and shit, you know what I'm saying? My bros from another mother, goddamn. We outside on tools, nigga. Street shit, off-road shit, you already know. Car show. Y'all motherfucking side, man. I'm telling you. Get 2 wheels. Get straight shit nigga on me. Nigga, y'all niggas follow the goddamn page, man. Follow the YouTube, cause we really out here doing big shit, man. When it comes to this 2 wheel shit, nigga, I do this shit, nigga. I'm outside, nigga. Car shows. Wherever we wanna be, man. We good money, man. Got my guy, man. I ain't seen my nigga in a minute. Big B, you already know. We out this bitch. Yo, Tato for Tato.
Don't know.
Maddie in the building.
She look good on it.
We outside. You already know that's the homie. No, this nigga always eating. I know he about to cut up tonight. I know he about to cut up.
Not hit. The wings is not hitting.
You know.
They're not hitting.
That nigga the full review.
Don't waste your money for nothing.
Nothing at the car show, goddamn. Nothing. Not a team.
The wings is not where they at. They're not where they at.
You heard it first, man. You heard it first.
The wings ain't where they at.
That's what it was, bro.
It's over. Once he didn't come right there, it was over.
You good? He left you hanging.
Yeah. Trill. Dirty Diana. Dirty Diana. I'm in this bitch and she was from Atlanta. Thirsty hoe, she be sipping on Fanta. Taking chances, man, I feel like the rapper. Cops arrested me and read my memorandum. She give me presents, I feel like she Santa. Instagram, man, she stay on the camera. Flows ice cold, came from Alaska. I just pulled a whole foe in the Shasta. Niggas out here trying to dabble. They comedians, I can do nothing but laugh or disappear on a hole like a Casper. Then I'm on to the next chapter. Man, I'm ballin' like I play for the Raptors. Speak the truth, man, I feel like a pastor. I cannot fuck with no dirty Diana.
Ridiculous, isn't it?
Ridiculous on me. I'm up. Yeah, man, like I said, man, we outside, man. It's a whole lot of bike life shit going on, four-wheel shit going on, bike show going on, car show going on. Now tap in, man. We out fucking side. I'm gonna say no mind. But y'all speak for itself. You did.